just a treasure. The most useful fruit for heart health. Based on recent research, scientists have concluded that dates are worth eating daily. Scientists argue that dates are a universal food product that must be included in the diet. In their composition, they contain many substances useful to the human body. If a person eats only this dried fruit and water, he will be able to stretch for quite a long time. Dates contain zinc, selenium, copper, manganese, iron, phosphorus, sodium, magnesium, calcium and potassium. According to doctors, dates are useful for those who have hypertension, signs of overwork, heart disease, tuberculosis and anemia appear. They stimulate the brain, endowed with a firming, tonic and expectorant effect, soothe cough. It is believed that dates can even facilitate childbirth, provided that the woman ate them during pregnancy. It is also proven that they improve immunity, strengthen the kidneys, liver and heart, normalize acid balance and are an excellent tool for the prevention of cancer and the formation of tumors. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.